All right, guys, it's Monday night instead of Monday morning. My shift got changed, and so now I am working days. So I'm getting up at 4:30 in the morning, which is awesome because I'm used to sleeping till 9 or so and going to bed at like 1 in the morning. So a little bit of change for me. I'm tired. I've been up since 4:30. It's like 7. It's like 8. It's like 8 o'clock, and I'm like already to go to bed. But anyway, so enough about that and my whining and bitching and crying. I still need to get stuff done. So gonna wrap the other part of the hot side and maybe try to start hanging the hot side back on the engine for the last time. So let's get at it. Well, there we go, guys. We got the hot side back on for the last time, I believe. Got the driver's side wrapped over there. I still got to tighten up that clamp down there at the bottom. And then that's really it. And then start bolting the turbo on. But that's going to be it for tonight. I am beat. All right, guys. See you tomorrow. Guys, Tuesday, back out here. Going to try to get the turbo on here. Kind of messed with it a little bit already off camera, just trying to get the angle of the thing. I kind of took a guess at it and got the oil drain fitting on there. See how it fits. That's about where I want it. Hopefully that'll work. I think that's going to be about right. Let's see here, guys. You guys just missed me lose my crap a little bit. If you're ever wondering if you can fit fire sleeve over your 10AN fittings to fit over your 10AN hose so that it doesn't melt, you can. It's just a huge pain in the ass. But I got it on there. Just trying to get that fitting. You saw me struggling with it. And then I shut off the video when I realized that I had forgotten the fire sleeve, and I was kind of pissed off at myself and was kind of yelling and saying inappropriate things and how dumb I am, which is nothing new, but I was doing it agitated, which I don't get mad too much, but I was pretty pissed off at myself. Because I hate pulling the end hose off like this push lock. Oh, alright, I think that's going to be on there. Alright guys, after I finished up that hose, I decided that I was going to call it a night because I don't want to put the turbo back on because I got to put 2 studs in right there to tighten down the turbo. So we're just going to leave it off at there. I think tomorrow on my way home from work, I'll swing by the hardware store, get a couple studs for that, and we'll continue on there. See you guys tomorrow. Later. Hey guys, it's Thursday. Man, I'm tired. This day shift is still kicking my butt a little bit, but I still want to come out and do a little bit. I don't know how long I'm going to be out here, just a little bit. I think my goal is just to get the turbo to intercooler piping on and call it a night. All right, let's get at it. I'm gonna have to clearance out and around that, and then on the bottom too, it's a little tight there. There's some space, but not much. So I'm just gonna have to clearance out around that. So pull that off and back off and clearance it out. All right, guys. Well, that's what happens when you're rushing a little bit. Clearance a little too much up here, not quite enough underneath, but we'll make it work. That should be fine. See, down through here, up through there, down and around, and then we will come over here. You can see it's hooked up to the intercooler. So that's going to be it for today. I was only planning on being out here about a half hour, ended up about an hour with all the cutting and stuff, but it's done, and that's what I wanted to do. So all right, that's going to be it for today. Later. Hey guys, it's Friday, and I didn't get shit done today. Got home from work, and the wife and I went out for some drinks, and that was enjoyable, but I'm not getting any work done. And we did a little short after we had some drinks. I was like I was racing the car. Gave me a little excitement for the evening. So anyway, I'm drinking. It's good. It's so delicious. Anyway, guys, thanks for liking and subscribing and doing all the YouTube-y stuff. I appreciate it. We'll see you next week, because that's it for this week. We're not getting any work done. Thanks, guys. Later.